Padasevanam, service at the feet of the Lord. O Lord, with beautiful charming eyes comparable to the lotus petals, bless me to serve you in various ways. O Lord, who is reputed as being worshipped by God Shiva and Indra, the king of the celestials, bless me. O Sridhara, who keeps Goddess Lakshmi on his own chest, bless me to hold your feet on my head. May I be enabled to comfort you with cooling fans. Pankajaksha Tava Seva in Todi Ragam and Rupaka Talam.
Pankajaksha Tava Seva, 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 Bahudha Karavani, 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 Pankajaksha Tava Seva. Shankaravala Shasana Mukha, 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 Sannu Toru Kite, Shankaravala Shasana Mukha, Sannu Toru Kite, Shankaravala Shasana Mukha, Sannu Toru Kite, Pankajaksha Tava Seva, Shankaravala Shasana Mukha, Sannu Toru Kite, Pankajaksha Tava Seva, Bahudha Karavani, Pankajaksha Tava Seva. Sridhara Tava Padukam, 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 Shirasavahani, Sridhara Tava Padukam, Shirasavahani, Sadhu Talavdena, Sadhu Talavdena, Sauvijayani, Sadhu Talavdena, Sauvijayani, Pankajaksha Tava Seva, Bahudha Karavani, तव सेवा